I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about data handling. So let's start with that. In our day-to-day life, we come across many situations where we have to make inferences on the basis of present informations. This information is mostly numerical, such as you must have observed your teacher recording the attendance of students in your class every day, or recording marks obtained by you after every test or examinations. On the basis of marks obtained by the students, the teacher can select top of 3 students. Thus, to make a selections, the teacher collects the marks obtained by all the students. The marks obtained are called data. Thus, a data is a collection of number gathered to give some informations. Hope you understood. Now, data. The word data means informations in the form of numerical figures. Suppose example is the age in years of 15 employees in a company are like 43, 35, 43 and so on. We call it the data related to the ages of 15 employees in a company beta. Now raw data, what is raw data? Let's see. Raw obtained in the original form is called raw data. Data given in the above example is raw data. Now array. So array क्या होता है? Arranging the numerical figure in ascending or descending order is called an array. Tabulations of data. Arranging the data in a systematic form in the form of a table is called tabulations or a presentations of data. Now observations. Each numerical figure in a data is called an observations. Frequency of an observations, that means the number of times a particular observations occurs is called its frequencies. Statistics means it is the science which deals with the collections, presentations, analysis and interpretations of a numerical data beta. Now move on, collection of data first. The collection of facts related to a certain item or subjects under different circumstances is known as data. To calculate the collections of data, we use a tally marks like this sign. Against each entry, after every 4 tally marks, the 5th tally marks is putting cut the previous 4 tally marks like this way. 4 आप स्टैंडिंग बनाओगे, जो 5th बनाओगे उसको आप स्लैंटिंग लाइन को कट करते हुए दिखाएंगे. This method of cutting marks help us to count the number of items more easily. For example, the number of books issued by the school library on 5 working days can be expressed as follows. Let's see beta. Okay, this is how. Like Monday को 10 books है. So how we show 10 books? First, you know this is called 5. 4 हमारी स्टैंडिंग लाइन है एंड 1 इज स्लांटिंग लाइन, कट करते हुए दिखाएंगे. सो दिस इज 5, 5 + 5 इज 10. ट्यूसडे में 17 है, सो 5, 5, 5 एंड 2. दिस इज हाउ वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे एंड फ्राइडे. सो टोटल बुक्स हमारी कितनी हो गई? यस, 63 बुक्स. We interpreted that 17 books were used on Tuesday and total 63 books were issued in whole week. Hope you understood. Now types of data. Primary data, data collected directly from the source is called primary data. Example, food preferences of a group of peoples in a restaurant or a teacher asking marks of a student in a class beta. Secondary data means data collected by someone else for some other purpose is called secondary data. Example means a teacher can access the marks of students from CBSE sites can collect it from CBSE office. So this is called secondary data. Now organizations of data, let's see. In the following table, represent each student by a smiley against his or her destinations. Now count the number of smileys to get the number of students interested in a particular destinations. So here it is given destinations and number of students. So कश्मीर में like this is students, कुल्लू मनाली, शिमला एंड आगरा के ये हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं. This method of representing information through a picture is called pictograph. तो ये वाली जो हमारी information है इसको हम कहेंगे बेटा pictograph, क्योंकि ये pictures के through दिखाई गई है. When the number of student is less, this kind of representations is a faceables. But when the number is large, we may use tally marks instead of pictures to represent the choice of students. In tally marks, we represent each unit of data by this sign and a group of 5 by like that way. Now number of student. So here it is given destinations, pictograph, tally marks and frequency. So Kashmir में कितने बच्चे हैं? Like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So in tally marks, how just we show 4 cut is 5, this is 5 and 6, 7 and frequency हम just 7 इस तरीके से लिखेंगे. Similarly कुल्लू मनाली, शिमला and Agra. Okay, so now move next. On interpretations of pictograph, we may conclude that the maximum number of students, that is 7, are interested in Kashmir and the least number of students, that means 2, are interested in Agra. Okay, so now solve examples. Example number 1. Given below is the data showing the number of children in 20 families of a colony. So here it is given 2, 1, 3, 1, 2 and so on. Arrange the above data in ascending order and then put it in the tabular form. So solution. Arranging the data in ascending order, we get 1, 1, 1 पहले starting में 1, then 2, then 3 and then 4. For counting purposes, we use tally marks. After putting 4 tally marks vertically, we put a cross as shown below and again we take the tally marks in the same manner, counting in sets of 5s. Now we may prepare the frequency tables as shown below, like this way. This is observation, this is tally marks and this is number of families means frequencies. So observations like 1 जो है हमारे उसके tally marks 1 कितनी बार आ रहे हैं हमारे? Yes, 1 हमारे 5 times आ रहे हैं. So we just write it 5 in tally marks like that way. And frequency में हम लिखेंगे 5. This one, 2 हमारे जो हैं कितनी बार आ रहे हैं? Yes, 7 times. So just write it 7 in like that way and 7 is this one. Similarly 3 and 4. Okay, hope you understood well. Now move on. Example 2. A dice was thrown 20 times and the following outcomes were noted. Like this 4, 3, 3, 2, 5 and so on. जब हम डाइस खेलते हैं ना तो 20 टाइम्स जब डाइस को हमने थ्रो करा तो हमारे ये नंबर आए. नाउ सॉल्यूशंस. वी मे प्रेजेंट द डाटा एज शोन बिलो. लाइक आउटकम है हमारी 1, 2, 3 एंड 1 कितनी बार आया हमारा? 2 टाइम्स. सो जस्ट राइट इट 2. जब हमने डाइस थ्रो करा सो 2 हमारे कितने टाइम्स आए? 5 टाइम्स. सो जस्ट राइट इट 5 इन टैली मार्क्स लाइक दैट एंड आउटकम्स हमारा है 5. दिस इज हाउ 3 हमारे कितने टाइम्स आए? 5 टाइम्स एंड सो ऑन बेटा. ओके, नाउ मूव ऑन. एग्जाम्पल 3. द एजेस ऑफ 30 स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 6 of our schools are observed as below. Arrange the ages in a table using the tally marks. Here it is given some numbers. Now answer the following questions. What is the age of maximum number of student? Okay. And how many students are of least age, सबसे कम age, and how many students are of maximum age? So solutions, frequency, distributions of age of 30 students. सबसे पहले हम age 14 कितने हमारे tally marks में हम लिखेंगे like this. 15 age वाले हैं हमारे 9, 16 वाले हैं 11 और 17 वाले हैं हमारे like that way 4. So we can say that 16 years is the age of 11 student. And answer of B is the least age is 14 years. There are 6 students of 14 years age. And C का answer है हमारा बेटा. There are 4 students of 17 years age. I hope you understood well. So now move on. Exercise 15.1. Filling the blanks. Data means informations in the form of what? In the form of numerical figures. So write it numerical figure like this. NUMERICAL N-U-M-E-R-I-C-A-L, numerical and figure. B part, data obtained in the dash form is called raw data. So it's the original form. So write it original. Okay beta, so these are the other questions. You have to complete it your own. So now just move on pictograph. A pictograph represents data in the form of pictures, objects or parts of objects. Observe the following table which shows the number of different trees in a school compound. So here it is given neem tree, Ashoka tree, coconut tree. So these can be represented by a pictograph. Like neem ke tree kitne hain? 8. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is how we just show that. Ashoka ke kitne tree hain? Like Ashoka ke 1, 2, 3, 4, like that way. Coconut tree kitne हमारे? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is how we just show through pictograph. We find that the pictorial representations appears to be more elaborate than the frequency table. If the number or frequency of times is larger, we use a scale beta. Now solve example. Example number 1. The pictograph given below shows how many cars traveled from city A to city B on different days of a certain week. Scale हमारा है 1 car represent करेगी 5 cars को. Okay, so now see. Monday हमारी कितनी है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 multiply by 5. As जो हमारी 1 car है वो 5 को represent कर रही है. Similarly, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. From the pictograph, answer the following questions. First one is, on which day was the road most crowded? भीड़ सबसे ज़्यादा किस दिन है? How many cars traveled on that day? So we can say that yes, Tuesday हमारी दिख रही है सबसे ज़्यादा कार है. कितनी है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 है. So 9 multiplied by 5 is equal to 45 cars. So this is the answer of first one. B part है, what is the total number of cars which made the journey during the week? So total number of car कितनी है हमारी? 7, 9, 6, 4, 5, 7 and 2. Add all the numbers 40 cars and then multiply by 5. So 200 car हमारी ये है total. Hope you understood. Now example 2. The number of cricket bats sold by a shop during the week, a week is given below. So here it is days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Number of bats sold, Monday को कितने sold है? 20, Tuesday 12 and so on. Solution, scale. Scale means जो 1 bat है वो represent करता है 4 bats को. Like this. Now we may draw the pictograph as shown below. So days, Monday, number of bats sold, Monday कितनी है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into 4. Okay, so 20 हमारे जो bats होते हैं Monday. Similarly, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday beta. Okay, I hope you understood. Now move on, example 3. The modes of traveling to school of 160 students are given below. Draw a pictograph from the following information. So here it is mode. Mode means walking के through आए हैं, bicycle, car, bus. So number of student is walking. कितने चल के गए हैं स्कूल? 30. बाइसिकल से कितने बच्चे? 50. कार कितने लोगों ने यूज़ करी? 10 और बस इज 70. Now solutions. Let's choose the scale given below like this. वॉकिंग का साइन है ये. 10 स्टूडेंट जिन्होंने बाइसिकल यूज़ करी, दिस इज़ अ साइन ऑफ दिस. 10 स्टूडेंट. कार 10 बच्चों ने और जो हमारी बस है वो भी हमारे 10 बच्चों ने. नाउ वी मे ड्रॉ द पिक्टोग्राफ एंड शोन बिलो. सो हेयर इट इज़ मोड, वॉकिंग, बाइसिकल, कार एंड बस. नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, सो वॉकिंग कितने हैं उसके आगे सिंबल बना रखा है. बाइसिकल कितने उसके आगे बाइसिकल का सिंबल, कार के आगे ये कार का सिंबल, बस के आगे बस का सिंबल. होप यू अंडरस्टूड बेटा. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 4. The following pictograph shows the number of computers sold by a company during a week. The scale used 6 computer. ये जो स्केल है वो हमारा 6 कंप्यूटर्स के स्केल है. सो मंडे कितने हमारे सोल्ड हुए, देन ट्यूसडे एंड सो ऑन बेटा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट इज हाउ मेनी कंप्यूटर्स वर सोल्ड ऑन फ्राइडे. फ्राइडे को कितने सोल्ड हुए हमारे, 4 into 6 is 24. बी क्वेश्चन में है हाउ मेनी कंप्यूटर्स वर सोल्ड ऑन मंडे. मंडे को कितने हुए, 5 into 6 is 30. हाउ मेनी कंप्यूटर्स वर सोल्ड ड्यूरिंग द वीक. सी 5 में है पूरे वीक में कितने हुए. सो 5, 3, 2, 6, 4 and 1. जस्ट एड ऑल द नंबर्स. 21 into 6 is 126. एंड डी इज ऑन विच डे वॉज द स्केल मैक्सिमम. और सेल सबसे ज़्यादा कब हुई हमारी, क्लियरली द सेल वॉज मैक्सिमम ऑन थर्सडे. ओके बेटा, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ मूव ऑन एक्सरसाइज 15.2. फर्स्ट वन इज द नंबर ऑफ फैंस सोल्ड बाय अ शॉपकीपर ड्यूरिंग 6 months आर गिवन बिलो. ये फैंस हमारे सोल्ड किए गए हैं शॉपकीपर ने 6 months के ड्यूरेशंस में. सो मंथ मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई एंड अगस्त. नंबर ऑफ फैंस सोल्ड मार्च में कितने हुए, 30, अप्रैल में 40, मई में 60 एंड सो ऑन. नाउ टेकिंग द स्केल फैन मीन्स 10 फैंस सोल्ड. ड्रॉ द पिक्टोग्राफ. अब हमें पिक्टोग्राफ बनाना है. ओके, सो हाउ जस्ट वी डू पिक्टोग्राफ. सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे बेटा मंथ. ये हमारे मंथ हो गए. उसके बाद हम लिखेंगे नंबर ऑफ फैंस सोल्ड. सो नंबर ऑफ फैंस कितने हमारे, नंबर ऑफ फैंस सोल्ड. सो मार्च में हमारे कितने सोल्ड हुए, हम जस्ट लिखेंगे मार्च. देन अप्रैल, अप्रैल में कितने सोल्ड हुए, अप्रैल का हम लिखेंगे. और हमने क्या करना है, स्केल भी लिखाना है हमने, क्योंकि बोल रहे हैं टेकिंग द स्केल 10 फैंस. तो जो हमारा स्केल है तो हम लिखेंगे ये जो हमारा एक फैन है ये कितने के बराबर है, 10 फैंस. ये हमारा स्केल है. सो मार्च में कितने हुए, 30. तो हमें 30 करने के लिए यहाँ पर 30 हमें पिक्टोग्राफ बनाने पड़ेंगे. लाइक ये 10 हो गया, ये 20 है हमारा, और ये हमारा कितना है, ये हमारा हो गया 10. और हम इसी तरीके से एक और दिखाएंगे वैल्यू, ये भी हमारा 10 के ही बराबर है. तो 10 और 10 20. और एक और आप पिक्चर्स बनाएंगे लाइक दिस वे. यू कैन मेक इट वेरी नाइसली बेटा. आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग रफली ओवर हेयर. सो दिस इज 30. सिमिलरली अप्रैल में कितने होंगे, तो अप्रैल में आपको 4 बनाने हैं. सो 1, 2, 3 and 4. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू जस्ट मेक इट. ओके, सो नाउ मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट. बार ग्राफ. A bar graph is a pictorial representations of a numerical data in the form of rectangles or bars of equal width and varying heights. Reading and interpretations of a bar graph beta. From a given bar graph, we can answer various questions based on it. Okay? Note, bar graph is also known as column graph. Hope you understood well. So now move on next. Solve example. Example number 1. Read the bar graph and answers the following questions. So here it is a bar graph. ये क्या है हमारे, number of tickets sold. Delhi, then Punjab, then Haryana, then Rajasthan and then Assam. First one is what is the informations given by the bar graph. So information है हमारी, the informations is about the number of tickets of different states lottery sold by an agent. Okay. B question है हमारा, how many tickets of Assam state lottery were sold by the agent is 40. C part, in which state were the maximum number of tickets sold. सबसे ज़्यादा tickets कहाँ sold हुई है, हरियाणा में. In which state were the minimum number of tickets, सबसे कम, राजस्थान. And E part, state true or false. The maximum number of tickets sold is 3 times the minimum number of tickets sold. No, it's false beta. So just false. Hope you understood. Now example 2. The following bar graph shows the number of scooters produced in a factory during the first 5 months of a year. So here it is given January, February, March, April and May. So productions of scooters during first 5 months of the year just like that way बेटा. Okay, और ये इसका scale है. So now next. First is read the bar graph carefully and answer the questions given below. A part. How many scooters were produced in the month of March? Now solution. So first one is how many scooters were produced in the month of March? So March में कितने scooter produced हुए हैं? Clearly 800 scooter beta. Okay. So this is the answer of first one. B part is what was the increase in productions in February over the productions in January? So productions in January is 500 and production in February is 1100. So increase productions कितना हो गया? Just minus is so 600. C part, what was the decreased in productions in March in comparison to the productions in February? So C का आंसर है February की productions है हमारी बेटा 1100 and March की कितनी है 800. So decreased productions हमारा हो गया yes 300. And D part is in which month was the productions minimum and what was it? Clearly the productions was minimum in January. Productions in January is equal to 500 beta. Hope you understood. So now move on example 3. Look at the following bar graph. So Indian river and their lengths in kilometers. So Ganga का हमें दे रखा है, then Godavari, then so on beta. And length in kilometer is like here. So first one is read the given bar graph carefully and answers the following questions. First one is name the river that have equal lengths. Answers. Brahmaputra and Indus have equal length. Okay, we can just see the bar also. Second one is which river is the smallest in length. So आप bar graph में भी देख रहे हो सबसे length किसकी छोटी है हमारी Kaveri river. C part is what is the ratio of lengths of river Narmada and Godavari. तो इन दोनों की रेशियो क्या होगी? Just divided both the numbers and 26 ratio by 29 is answer. D part is arrange the lengths of the given rivers in ascending order. So ascending order में first one is Kaveri, then Mahanadi, then Narmada, then Godavari, Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus beta. Now E part, what informations does the bar graph give? ये जो bar graph है ये हमें क्या informations देता है? Bar graph gives the informations about Indian rivers and their lengths in kilometer beta. Hope you understood well. So now next, exercise 15.3. 51 students from a locality use different modes of transport to school as shown by the bar graph given below. So here it is given modes of transport used by student of a school and number of students. So this is car, bus, motorbikes, modes of transports. So now look at the bar graph given above and answer the questions given below. First one is what does the above bar graph shows? क्या दिखाता है वो? So second is which mode of transport is used by maximum number of students. So we just do the first one. What does the bar graph shows? ये हमें दिखाता है. First one is A part we are just doing different modes of transport. ये हमें जो ट्रांसपोर्ट है उसके डिफरेंट मोड दिखाता है लाइक कार के कितने बसेस के कितने एंड सो ऑन बेटा. ओके सो दिस इज ए पार्ट एंड सी पार्ट बी पार्ट इज विच मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट इज यूज्ड बाय द मैक्सिमम. सबसे ज़्यादा बच्चे कौन सा ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़ करते हैं? सो क्लियरली बी पार्ट. ओके दिस इज ए पार्ट एंड दिस इज बी पार्ट. सो साइकिल का सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं. सी पार्ट हाउ मैनी स्टूडेंट्स यूज बस फॉर गोइंग टू स्कूल. बसेस कितने बच्चे यूज़ करते हैं? सो हम कहेंगे बसेस करते हैं यस 14 स्टूडेंट्स. So beta these are the other questions you have to complete it your own. Okay, I hope you understood well. So with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood well. So you only need to do practice. So do practice and do rest of these exercises by your own.